Hi everyone and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So we have already started the module number 4, which is all about the advanced finishing toolpaths and machining strategies. And we have discussed all the finishing strategies, and we have one left, which is called the spiral finishing toolpath. So let's get started the spiral finishing toolpaths and see what are the parameters to set for that spiral finishing toolpath. So I have already loaded a model into my software, and this model is a round piece and it has some curve on that top of the face. So what we are going to do is we are going to machine that highlighted part. So let's get do this. So what we have to do is we first have to create a block for that material. So just click on the block and go to active, click here, calculate it, accept. Okay, and then what we need is we just go to the work plane, right click and create a work plane according to that thing. So I'm just using the position block and make it that here. So you see that the X and Z axis direction is different. Just go to the work plane again and go to the work plane editor and swap the axis. So let's say the swap axis to the top side and make it axis on that thing. Okay, active. So make the work plane active, and now we have to again go to block, and you can do this. Make it center. Okay, that's a thing. Okay, calculate it, and it's done. So now what we have to do is we need to apply the spiral finishing toolpath. So let's go to the toolpath and click on the finishing toolpath, and at the end you will find out the spiral finishing toolpath. Click OK, and now just write the name spiral finishing. Okay, let's go and go to select the tools. As you know that we are going to perform the finishing operation. So let's select the ball nose material, ball nose tool, and set the diameter of 10 millimeters. Okay, and set the 10 mm B and ball nose material. So just go to this spiral finishing toolpath and select the center point. As you know that we have the center point at 0, 0 because we have set the work plane at the center. So therefore we have the center point 0, 0, and the start and the end radius is 0 to that. You can set it start radius is from 0 to this point at 80 millimeters. Okay, so that's it. And then step over is all the way 5 millimeters. All other things will be same. Just click on calculate and you will find out that you just make the spiral around that thing. You see that it's just spirally around that face and finishing that toolpath. So what you have to do is just go to and apply some leads and links to these. So it's just make the safe. Let's say that we can make it straight, and make it skim and calculate it. So that's the thing. So this is how the spiral toolpath works. Let me go to simulation and click on the spiral finishing. And if you click on that thing, you will be able to see how it actually looks like. So just go and play it. Okay. So this is how it actually works. So just go and floor view and let me play this again. So this is how it actually looks like and how it actually works. Taking the cut from the outward to inward direction, you can change the direction. Okay, and the step over is 5 millimeters. So if you lessen the step over, you will get the fine finishing operation. Okay, that's the finishing operation. So just go to the toolpath again, right click and click on the setting, and you will see that it starts from that thing. You can say that uh, you may set this start from that to 0 point. Okay, calculate it, or you will set as this part, the direction will be anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. Okay, so it is depend upon the thing. Okay, so now it's going to be moved in a different way. Okay, you see that? Or you can also apply the limits to control your tool path by applying the limits. So this is how actually the spiral tool path works, or spiral finishing works. So it's very simple. That's it for the spiral finishing. Thank you very much.